Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com. We're making a video for Expert Village today. We're crocheting wire to make a Christmas bracelet. Then we're going to just go to the next button, put it on, and sew it the same way. I'll turn it around so you can see the back. We're just sewing right through the button loop. And pulling the wire through. Sewing it on like a regular button. We're going to do this with all the buttons that we have laid out here to put on our bracelet. And then if you want to do a candy cane, what you're going to do is put your wire to the front side of the bracelet. You're going to alternate the beads. This is just red and white seed beads. Do a red one, a white one, a red one, a white one, a red one, till you have about 7 beads. Then you do it in the shape of a candy cane and secure it to your bracelet.